We're heading back home.
We could climb every mountain, we could swim the deep blue sea, we could cross every desert and come back again. We could go any distance to chase down every dream. We could reach all the stars, but in the end, I know where we belong. I know a place where we can go. I know a place where we can go, where we are safe, where we are known. I know that there's no place like home.
Our van is pointing east. We are definitely on the last legs of our long journey, and we've got about 10 days of travel left.
Yeah, after being
Oh, you did it, Johnson.
yeah, after being out of Canada for 90 plus days. This is going to be our first time on mainland Canada since
Oh boy, January
16th.
January 16th. Yeah, that's right.
And today is April the 24th, I think. Just over 3 months we've been gone.
I know a place where we can go.
Yeah, mainland Canada, yeah.
21 kilometers.
Did you hear that? Number 1 east, heading home. We have family and friends waiting for us to get back home.
I know a place where we can go. I know a place where we can go, where we are safe, where we are known. I know that there's no place like home. I know that there's no place like home.
From coming off of the ferry, we decided we would stop at one of the closest campgrounds, and this was Eaglewind RV Park. And it's
Alderwood.
in Alderwood, and it is an RV park. The owner or whoever was at the desk said, "Oh, we've never had something like this in our park," or something.
No. I asked her.
Okay.
I asked her if we had anything, or that if there's anything little like this in the park. She said, "Oh yeah, there's a couple." But
Yeah.
basically, this is all you see.
Take a look at this. If you're driving a big fifth wheel or a Class A, this is the park for you. Every site is full hookup. It's all back in by the looks of it, though.
Yeah, and there were a lot of winter residents here this year, so.
Yeah, look that way.
And of course, it was the coldest weather in BC they've had for years, but.
So the site we were in, I don't think would have held a big RV, but
that was a little one.
so we got some little ones.
Here's a big, beautiful fifth wheel.
Yeah, so when you look at these sites, they're really tight, but what they've done is put cedar hedges between the sites, I guess to give you a little bit of privacy.
It was quite nice. There's a nice green space with a fire pit right here.
Oh yeah, there we go. People walk their dogs. Looks like a community fire pit. Yesterday we saw people, obviously, who get to know each other. We're sitting on the lawn. I guess that's what happens in RV parks when people do kind of long-term stays. But we don't call this camping. We just like the full hookup. We like the having electricity. And of course, we do like to have the Wi-Fi. Good data and Wi-Fi really are a bonus.
And now we are on our way to Cultus Lake near Chilliwack. That's a provincial park.
Provincial campground, and it is minimal services. We get electricity. So there we go. We can do it all.
We are at Cultus Lake Provincial Park Campground, just outside of Chilliwack, British Columbia. Beautiful site. The lake is right behind us with a little pathway heading down to the lake.
Just a little walk from our site, as in, this is actually right at our site. be able to walk down to the lake, go for a dip. Not tempted to go for a dip today. Around 10 degrees Celsius, pretty chilly and drizzling. Creates for a moody scene, doesn't it? It's supposed to rain on and off all day today.
Whoa, whoa, oh. Whoa, whoa, oh. If I was a needle in a haystack, in some lonely field way out west, well, you would know just where to find me. If I was a single grain of sand, washed up on some island in the sea, well, you would know just where to find me, find me. It's a long, long road.
We decided to walk the road today instead of driving it. Entering the rainforest canopy in Cultus Lake, Provincial Park near Chilliwack.
We camped at this campground many years ago with our tent pop-up, and now we've pulled in with our van. Apparently lucky we got electrical,
Yeah,
but we got electrical and right on the water. Oh my goodness, it's a beautiful sight. This is a beautiful campground.
yeah, it is very nice.
Apparently very popular in the summer and very busy.
Oh, here's a big, beautiful old tree.
Oh yeah. I guess off-season camping is the way to do it. Hey, wait.
Yeah, I think so. Of course, warmer weather would be nice. I think it was 6 degrees when we left this morning, when we left our van to go for a walk. So, but it's calm, little light drizzle. Just a good day to be outside. One last evening at Cultus Lake, and we are treated to a beautiful sunset.
If I was a falling drop of rain, tumbling through the current and the waves, well, you would know just where to find me. Oh, yeah, you would know just where to find me, find me.
The confusion of clouds in the water. Wow, what a morning. It is still and beautiful. The sun is shining way out in the distance.
Okay, this is hard to leave, hey?
Yeah, this is nice. Now we're going to stay here for a while. Our last morning at Cultus Lake.
Oh,
But we get to leave on a good note. And we're heading to warmer temperatures.
that's a perfect mirror.
Yeah, it's pretty good. And not even 5 minutes later, the sun comes out and beautifully lights up the mountain, which just adds that much more drama to the reflection.
It's a long, long road when you wander far from home. But I
There's a fish that keeps coming to the surface here.
they roll. It's a
Waiting to be caught.
road when you wander
Oh,
home. But I know your eyes, they
must be some yummy bugs on the water. Anyway, good morning from Cultus Lake, British Columbia. Perfect sight.
Oh, this is the next leg of our journey, and we are heading into the mountains. It's pretty exciting now.
Rockies.
Canadian Rockies. Yeah.
We just left Chilliwack. And we're heading east.
Yeah, we're heading east.
More east.
More east. Yeah, we're not going to quite get home. Manitoba's home for us, and we have a few stops planned on the way. But I know that as we get closer to home, and I've said to others, we're going to be like a horse to the barn, just going to be wanting to race home and see our family and friends. But now we get to see the mountains. Oh my goodness.